Good morning, Vietnamese manufacturing fans. Join me today as I visit 3 hotels that I recommend to my clients based on my 15 years of experience living and working here in Vietnam. Okay, so for a budget hotel option, I strongly recommend the Common Inn. It's located in District 2, Tao Dinh of Ho Chi Minh City, which is a wonderful neighborhood with a lot of cool cafes and delicious restaurants from Vietnamese to Italian to hamburger joints. So come on in and let's find out more about the Common Inn. Ở đây có bao nhiêu phòng?
Dạ tổng cộng có 29 phòng đó.
29 phòng.
Dạ.
Là cái phòng nhỏ nhất là bao nhiêu?
Là phòng single 10 m², tối đa 1 khách, giá 700.000 một đêm.
So one of the special things about the Common Inn is that it's located in Tao Dinh, which looks like a peninsula. Basically, it's a piece of land that's surrounded by a river on 3 sides. And the hotel is actually located down here, but all inside of here are a lot of nice restaurants and bars and cafes where you can explore and hang out, and you can get a feel for life in the big city of Vietnam. So this hotel is called Maison Camille. It's a medium range hotel in terms of budget, but it's a boutique hotel. So the inside is very cool and the rooms are very nice. Come on inside, let's have a look around. I recommend the Maison Camille Hotel because it's outside of the center of town in a local neighborhood, and it's in District 3 of Ho Chi Minh City. It's close to the main highway to get out of town. It's quiet and it's very reasonably priced, with cute rooms and a basic continental breakfast. So right now we're in the famous Saigon Square Market, where you can see a lot of branded and original goods. So it's a great place to shop. But right across the street is the Sedona Suites, which is a high-end hotel that I highly recommend because it's at the top of a high-rise building with amazing views. So let's go up the elevators and check it out.